Do you have a toilet that keeps running?
Odds are it's probably the fill valve.
Let me show you. I have one of those older ball float style toilets from about 15 years ago, and it's time I need to replace the fill valve.
You can see here I have one of those old ball style fill valves, and I'm replacing it with the Fluid Master fill valve, which is going to give me a whole lot less problems down the road.
Let's get started. This repair is going to cost me maybe 15 bucks tops. Really more like 10 bucks, which is going to save me $100 from calling a plumber.
First things first, shut off the water. Second, flush all that water out. Once you flush, you'll have a little bit of water remaining at the very bottom, but grab an old bucket, put it down there. We are going to disconnect this at the bottom where the hose connects. There's a little gasket. We're going to take that off and unscrew it. Put your rag down as water will start leaking out, and make sure your bucket's underneath as well. Go ahead and disconnect the hose. Alright, we got our hose disconnected, and then we're also going to unscrew this with a pair of channel locks. That's that gasket on there. Alright, got that loosened. Have your bucket ready, as there will be water coming out when I have that off. Not too much, which is a good thing. But let's take it out. I'm pulling up on the actual valve, and there's that water.
Throw that away. And it's time to put the new one on.
Stick that in there. Grab the nut,
Go underneath and screw it on.
go ahead and hand tighten that, and then you'll want to grab your channel locks again and give it a quarter turn just to tighten it.
So, this came with a new bowl filler hose. So I'm taking this old one off. Got it off, just screws off. You put this new one on, it's just a clip. Got that on. Now you'll connect the hose to the end. I'm also going to replace the flapper. It's really easy. This just comes right off. New flapper literally just clips in. Then connect the chain to this rod for the handle. Turn the water back on, and you're ready to start using the toilet.